Airline Pilot's brief for takeoff and departure. Airbus A321 CFM565B engines. Active database is up to date, 20 May, 17 June. Technical status of the aircraft: inoperative systems, ADR3, CAT3 dual, vent extract, maintenance, flight control. For ADR3 and vent extract, we've pulled 2 CBs according to the MEL operational procedures. That's taken care of. For OEBs, nothing affects us for this particular aircraft, Airbus A321. Next, let's move on to NOTAMs, Notice to Airmen. On this particular airfield, Conakry CKY, we have workers and birds concentration. We'll take that into account for startup, pushback, taxi, and takeoff. Weather is suitable. We can leave and we can come back in case of any problems for ILS runway 24. 280 degrees, 8 knots, 10 kilometers of visibility. It will be a takeoff with packs on, AP bleed off, NTIs off, and radar on. Expected taxi routing will be via Alpha to enter, backtrack, and line up runway 24. Plates 10-9 are required for taxi, and plate 10-3 Bravo for Axiro 2 Sierra departure, runway 24, standard instrument departure. Fuel on board, 8,660 kilograms. Init B page. We've entered 8.6 tons of fuel on the block. Takeoff weight is 67 tons, extra 2.1 tons for a time of 49 minutes of holding if need be. Takeoff runway 24, no shift, config 2 on the flaps, flex 55 degrees, V1153, VR154, V2154, transition altitude 6,000 feet, thrust reduction 1,600, acceleration 3,100, engine out acceleration 1,600. Flight plan page. We take off from runway 24, Axiro 2 Sierra departure. We maintain after takeoff a course of 237 degrees up to 2,000 feet. Turn left and return overhead Gulf India Alpha on the Axiro 2 Sierra departure straight to Axiro. We'll be limited at 250 knots below flight level 100. We then take the first airway, Upper Bravo 600, all the way to Dakar, Senegal, for a time of 1 hour and 3 minutes of flight for a distance of 380 nautical miles. The most critical MSA, 25 nautical miles around Gulf India Alpha VOR, is 4,600 feet. I move on to plan mode, where I review every single point and the airways to make sure that I have not missed anything during my preparation of the FMS on the flight plan page. RADNAV page. VOR1 and VOR2, I've set Gulf India Alpha VOR. Prog page. I set the airport and the active runway that we're planning to use for takeoff. In this case, runway 24. In case of failure before V1, captain will call stop or go. If stop, I'll call reverse green decel, and the aircraft stop, I'll inform ATC. In case of failure after V1, captain will call go. No actions below 400 feet AGL, except gear up and sound warning, I'll consider toga. 400 feet AGL, ECAM actions at the engine out acceleration altitude, here of 1,600 feet, and if engine secure, push to level off, vertical speed 0, stop ECAM, acceleration clean up. At green dot, open climb, MCT, continue ECAM until status, stop ECAM, after takeoff climb checklist, resets and read status. Engine out SID is straight ahead on runway axis, we'll perform a foredeck, and for return we'll use auto brake medium, reversers full, and for the emergency landing we won't need to perform an overweight landing checklist, considering the fact that we are lower than 77,800 kilograms, which is the maximum landing weight for the Airbus A321. If no questions, end of the emergency briefing before start checklist. Thank you for watching.